If you want others to be able to reshare your WhatsApp status, what you need to do is open the app, tap updates, then tap this button here as if you want to create a new status. Next, select a picture. You don't have to post it yet. This is just to set it up. So I'll select this picture. Then down here, you should see status and contacts. Tap it. And if this is selected, like you can see mine is checked because it is green. If I tap it again, it is now gray. So tap it. If it's green, then it means that your status can be reshared by others. But if it is gray, then that means no one will be able to reshare your status. So you don't even have to post a status now. You can just set it up. Then when you're ready to post, this should be checked. Like it will be checked if you have checked it now as you are watching this video. Okay, so that's how you do it. Hopefully you found the video helpful. Please give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Take care and bye bye.